Guys, we are back again for binary number 2, and in this additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, September the 30th, 2020. Binary number 2 will be number 1657. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Let's get started. Yes, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Then between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then double one, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no. Here double one, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then. Yeah. Then we need to compare, I think. Yeah. This row and that row. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box. 0, empty box. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O there, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1 there 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Faster than the previous Sudoku. Binary. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And there are 2 tectonics left to solve. So see you later. Bye bye for now.